Okay, this is task 2 part G, where what we're asked to do is calculate for each restaurant, so say for example Caverna, and highlight in orange any years where the number of covers is less than average. Now notice in this question it's specifically the number of covers. We're not looking at the usage percentage. Another question might do. We're also only asked to highlight one set of colours. Another question might ask for something different, so you must read the question carefully. Well, we're going to use conditional formatting, and if we go to conditional formatting and use top and bottom rules, we can then use this option here for below average. So we're going to say anything that is below average, and notice we're only doing it for one restaurant to start with. That's because each restaurant is different, and so we're not comparing the average across all restaurants. So I've selected that and it's come up with a default of light red. Well, that's not what we want. We're asked for orange text. So I'm going to go to a custom format, and that will be now where I can actually choose that I want orange text. If we click on OK and OK again, we can now see all of these that are highlighted in orange text if they are below average for that restaurant. What I'm now going to do is copy that, and I'm going to paste, okay, for the next column. But I'm going to paste just the formatting. So the formatting is this option here, and then I'm going to do it again for this column. Now it seems a bit tedious, but you have to do it column by column, otherwise it's going to average across the whole of Lagrille and Dilshad. So we'll do exactly the same here and paste formatting. And that's it completed, and all you've got to do now is show annotated evidence of how you did that. And if you look at the similar but different task instructions, it tells you about showing annotated screenshot evidence of a rule being set up, explain how that rule works, explain how the formatting was applied, and show evidence of how it was replicated for each column. And what you can do is you can actually go to conditional formatting, manage rules. So if I highlight this and we select manage rules, it will show you what the rule is for that section, and you can do that. And if we do it for all three columns, conditional formatting, manage rules, we can see all of them, and that's a good bit of evidence to show how you've actually completed it. And that's the end of task 2 part G.